So, everybody loves Rail Week. Well, not everybody, but I love it myself. MSP made a new update that it will be next week. So if you want more information for Rail Week, just listen to this video to the end. And yes, before I start the video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and yeah. Also, make sure to like, and also make sure to hit that bell. Okay, so since I like Rail Week myself, then all of you should as well, but if you don't, that is totally fine. But today I will be sharing some information with you that MSP posted on this site called Instagram. And yeah, let's get right on. So as you can see, I am in the front page of news.msp. And by the way, I actually love the new diamond pack. It looks so cool. Yeah. So since it's gonna be Rail Week, I think next week, let's look what the boys have, and then we'll do, okay, what is going to be upcoming, the upcoming Rail Week. So, energy beanie, what? Sobbit hair, okay, beanie, and skull jeans. Nose to earring, yin yang tattoo, star tattoo, and snake tattoo. B-Day hair, I'm guessing this is this one, I don't know. Sobbit man, Mr. Goldie, Halloween hair. Teen movie hero, men's tank top, and blowing shirt, and duckies. The duckies are popular as well. Dark lab, and there is a possibility that MSP will add more rays or take out. Don't blame us for that. And yeah. So if you don't like the rays on the boys, and yeah, I hope girls will have sobbit hair too, but I don't know if they will. So yeah, there's TC. Oh my god, Ghost Hair 2013, Ghost Dress 2013, Water Twisters, short and feathery, mask top. Fem hair is the one I love. That dress, lol. I love this tattoo, by the way. It's Timon tattoo. Stripies. I'm guessing that's this. Princess Toes and Arabian Nights. Sugar Doll. Spider Top. Dan Edna. Mom tattoo. Mom. Miss Valentine's. Griddles. I can't say it. Sweet and Stripeness. Web of lines. Butterfly accessories, pigtails, 18s, C classic, bow babe, yeah. Nose to earring, yin chang tattoo, that was on the boys too. Wait, Miss Goldie's gonna be on. Ballerina mummy tattoo hemo. Miss Goldie, oh my god. Miss Goldie! Yo! Miss Goldie! Oh my goodness! What? Goldie is going to be on MSP. Oh my god. So guys, if you enjoyed the video of the items that Rare Week will come on, I will also make a Rare Week video. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.